Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fill the empty rows, or we can say how to copy the value above the empty cell in a selected range. Let's go. We have two methods to fill the empty cells with the Excel menu options and with Excel functions. Let us discuss the first method. First we have to select the required range and navigate to home, editing group, find and select. We can either select go to or go to special. Now we are going to go to and special. We have to select blanks and select OK. Now the selected range will select only the empty cells. Now we have to press equal to and up arrow and press Ctrl Enter. Control Enter shortcut mainly used for one cell value to replicate the same value to one or more number of cells. Now you can see the empty cells are filled with the previous cell values. Now we will discuss the second method. Before going to the second method, we will briefly understand what is increment range or expandable range. In statistics, there is a concept called cumulative frequency which add each value within a table. Now I am adding a small table. We will try the expandable range concept using a simple sum function equal to tab. I'm selecting colon. I'm selecting C2 to C2. C2 to C2 is it is summing only the single cell. If I lock this first C2, control enter, it will keep on expanding based on the every incremental cells. If I select control D, if I do F2, it is summing up only the first two cells. If I select the third cell, it is summing up three cells. If I add it, you can see 6. So it is expandable range sum value. So if I select the final cell F2, it is selecting the entire range. In this way, the range will automatically expand based on the cell values. Taking input of this concept, we will use a simple VLOOKUP function to fill the empty cells equal to VLOOKUP. In this lookup value, we are going to use an alphabet Z. The reason behind to use Z because it can search all the 26 characters as we are going through an approximate match, not the exact match. The range is expandable range. So I'm going to select C1 to C1, comma. We are looking for the single range VLOOKUP. So 1. If you can see the range lookup, it is a square bracket. In any Excel formulas, if you can see a square bracket, which means it is not compulsory. So we can close the bracket and control enter. Now we have to select F2 and select the C1 first C1 by locking the cell, control enter. Now I am going to fill across the range. Now you can see the same result we receive via Excel VLOOKUP function. The first method we have discussed through Excel options, and second method we have discussed via an Excel function with the help of expandable range. You can try any of the method based on your scenario. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much.